Hello everyone, welcome to HBN Infotech Tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn the 4 ways to perform calculations inside a text box in Microsoft Word. Before that, let us insert a text box. To do that, go to the Insert tab, click on Text Box, and then click on Simple Text Box. Now, delete the dummy content. For the first method, I'll be using an empty field code. To insert an empty field code, click the cursor inside the text box, then press the Ctrl and F9 keys. This inserts an empty field code. So you can see a curly braces, a pair of curly braces. Inside the curly braces, type a equal sign, then type the values, like for example 78 plus 56, like that. Then press the F9 key. So in this way you can perform the calculation using an empty field code. You can perform simple to complex calculations inside an empty field code. Now let us try once again. I'll just insert a field code once again. Control and F9 keys. Then equals. This time let us create a complex formula. I'll divide this by 2. Then again and multiply this with 50. Now press the F9 key once done. So once you press the F9 key, the field code will return or display the result. So this was the first method. The second method is going to be similar. So what you can do is you can insert the cursor inside the text box, then go to the Insert tab, then click on Quick Parts, then click on Field. Now just select the first item here. The first item says equals formula, then click on formula. So this brings the formula wizard, so where you can also have the paste functions from here. So these things could be used inside the calculation. So say for example sum, I'll say 45, 56, like that. Then click on OK. So this was the second method. The third method is also a bit similar. What you can do is you can place the cursor inside the text box. Now go to the Insert tab and then click on Table. You will need to insert a table inside the text box like this. And now we can add some items, some values like this. Now if I want to perform a sum, what I can do is I can go to the Layout tab. So once you are inside a table, you get 2 additional tabs, the Design tab and the Layout tab. Go to the Layout tab, and in the Layout tab you can see Formula. So this brings in the same dialog box which we saw in the previous method. So here too you get all the base functions, etc, etc. So say OK. So in this way you can also perform calculation inside a text box. So why inside a text box? See, the reason is you can move the text box freely where you want, like this. Okay. So the fourth and the last method is using Excel from within Microsoft Word. So to do that, we'll go to the Insert tab and click on Object. Then click on Object once again. Then scroll a little bit and choose Microsoft Excel Worksheet and click OK. So this displays Microsoft Excel and all of its tools. You can perform all the calculations. Now say for example, I'll just create a simple formula, plus something like that, and hit the enter key. Now to come back to the Microsoft Word, you can just click outside this box like this, and in case if you want to edit, you can make a double click on this and launch Microsoft Excel once again and then edit. So this is how you can use Microsoft Excel from within Microsoft Word. So this was the last method. So I hope you liked this tutorial. So if you liked this tutorial, you can share this with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.